Product information, brand, NutriBullet, color, matte black capacity, 700 milliliters, product dimensions, 7.32, D10.63W, 11.6 H style, modern power source, corded electric is dishwasher safe. Yes item. Weight, 2 pounds. ASIN, B0, BZK4, TZJ2 customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars, 183 reviews. Bestsellers rank, #2, 642 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. #14 in countertop blenders. Date first available, January 5th, 2023. The special edition NutriBullet Pro 900-watt blender, Matte Black, is a powerhouse of a blender that combines style, functionality, and convenience. With its modern design and matte black finish, it is sure to complement any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this blender is its powerful 900-watt motor, which effortlessly blends fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients into smooth and delicious smoothies, shakes, and soups. Whether you're a health-conscious individual or simply looking for a versatile blender, the NutriBullet Pro deliver. Portable blender. MBPB 50100AK Black is a compact and convenient kitchen gadget that offers a portable blending solution for everyone. With its sleek black design, this blender not only looks stylish but also performs exceptionally well, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. One of the key features of this blender is its portability. The Magic Bullet Portable Blender allows you to blend your favorite ingredients on the go. Its small size and lightweight design make it easy to carry in a backpack or purse, ensuring that you can enjoy a fresh and nutritious smoothie wherever you are. Whether you're at the office, the gym, or traveling, this blender is a reliable companion. With a capacity of 16 ounces, the Magic Bullet Portable Blender is suitable for single servings. It comes with a 16 ounces cup, which is both durable and BPA-free, ensuring safety and convenience for the users. The detachable flavor infuser allows you to experiment with DIF.
401 NutriPro Compact Personal Blender is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that offers a range of features to meet your blending needs. With a sleek design and durable construction, this blender is sure to impress. Featuring an impressive 1,100 peak watt motor base, the Ninja BN 401 delivers powerful blending performance for smooth and consistent results every time. Whether you're making smoothies, protein shakes, or even sauces and dips, this blender can handle it all. One of the standout features of this blender is its pre-programmed settings, which allow you to easily create your favorite recipes with the touch of a button. The single-serve functionality is perfect for those on the go, as it comes with two 24-ounce cups that you can blend and take with you. The removable blade assembly not only makes cleaning a breeze, but also allows for a more thorough and effective cleaning process. The stainless steel blades are designed to crush ice and blend in.
NutriBullet Color Black Special. Feature: high-torque power base with powerful 900-watt motor. Capacity: 2 pounds. Product dimensions: 7.72, D 12.01, W 15.94, H included components: 32 Oz cups, cup rings, extractor blade, 900W motor base, to-go lids, handled lip rings, recipe guide style, onyx recommended uses for product, blending power. Source: corded electric, number of speeds, 1 voltage, 110 volts material. Type free, BPA free blade material, plastic, stainless steel item. Weight: 2 pounds. Manufacturer: NutriBullet. ASIN: B07SX5VKZY. Country of origin: China. Item model number NB91301K. Customer reviews: 4.7 out of 5 stars, 26,706. Bestsellers rank: #1, 626 in kitchen and dining. See top 100 in kitchen and dining. #10 in countertop blenders. Date first available, June 10th, 2019. The NutriBullet NB91301K Pro is a powerful blender designed to make your blending experience efficient and convenient. With its high-torque power base and a powerful 900-watt motor,
W Countertop Blender is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that provides outstanding blending performance for a wide range of tasks. With its powerful 900-watt motor, this blender is capable of handling various ingredients with ease. One of the standout features of the Koyos 900W countertop blender is its portable design. Its compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to transport and store, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of a high-performance blender both at home and on the go. Additionally, the blender incorporates overheat protection technology, providing peace of mind and ensuring the longevity of the appliance. Equipped with pulse technology and a 1-speed setting, the Koyo's 900W countertop blender offers simplicity and convenience. The pulse function allows for precise control over the blending process, while the consistent speed ensures smooth and consistent results. The blender comes with a capacity of 1,400 milliliters, Pravi,